Okay, before we jump into doing the hood or some other fun thing here, let's wrap up on what we finished off with this fuel pump replacement. So I've got that door cut in the floor there, and we're trying to figure out how to replace it. And I found one really good video that used a product that I'm super familiar with, just never thought would apply here, and that's this. This is actual true duct tape. This is what professionals use to tape up the joints in the ductwork in your heat and cooling system in your house. And it's a thick aluminum foil with a really incredible adhesive backing on it. You have to peel the white layer off, and so you tear it to length, figure out how long a piece you need from here over to here. Where am I? There. And you just rip it to that length, and then you peel that backing off of it and stick it on there. So I took my plate that I had cut out, laid it on a box over here, and I put all 4 pieces of tape all the way around it there, and then ran my fingernail over them to stick them down really good so that you get all the bubbles out and everything. And I came over here and set that thing back down in this hole, and gradually worked it all the way around and pressed it in. So I'm kind of a neat freak that way, and so I've got it all laid down there. I'm pretty impressed. It's sitting on something underneath. I think it's sitting on that fuel pump under there, so it doesn't give. I was going to put another piece of material across the top here for strength, but I don't think there's any point in it. We're not going to use this thing to haul, a lot of luggage or anything in, so I think that right there will solve our problem. So that wraps up the fuel pump install on this thing, and we'll come back and throw in another piece of the video here. So